Hello guys, so in this video here I want to talk about something in Python, something very simple. I'm just testing out using the for loop and nested loop in Python. So it started something simple like creating multiplication tables, putting it in ranges. So here I have enter start range of the tables to print and the end range of the tables to print, and we'll print it from values like 1 to 12. So that's why we have 13 here, because the range syntax is that from the start point, the end point is the number minus 1. So here is just a format. It's like multiplying n by I and getting the value. So let's see how this program works. So I hit run here and it prompts me to enter the tables to print. So I say I want to print from 2 times table to 4 times table. And there you go. It would have printed 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, up to 2 twelves 24, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Now let us say I want to rerun this program and print from 1 time table to 12 times table, and that's it. You can check this out. um, you have, 1 by 1, 2 by 2. So this program here can be further refined, just thinking about this idea. So I'd just like to share this with you guys, that you can print a range of tables at the same time, not just one table. All right. So this is all for now, and enjoy doing your Python. Bye.